In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use DXtrade on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you an easy to follow guide on how to properly acquire DXtrade on your smartphone and how to start using it. This guide will not go in depth about all of the features and the functionalities of DXtrade on mobile, but I'm still going to give you a general instruction guide on how to acquire and use this. So the DXtrade mobile application is designed to offer traders a comprehensive trading experience on their mobile devices. You will need the login credentials provided by your broker. And you can acquire DX Mobile by going over to their website, and under DXtrade, you will find mobile apps. Your own iOS and Android mobile trading apps for your clients. They will list some of the features, powerful charting, order types, watch lists, and so on. So if you are interested in this, you can scroll all the way down and choose the Access DXtrade option. And of course, you will have to choose the trading platform. So they have CFD, XT, crypto, and futures. Because this is a very fast-paced video, I cannot give you specific details about all of them, but you can get a general sense of what they do according to the description. Enter all of your details here: first name, last name, country code, phone, email, company, and then describe your company. They will give you access depending on the answers, and then you can download the applications. They will be available for iOS and Android, and you can manage all of them through this mobile app. So after you log in with the provided credentials by your broker, the app might offer secure login options like fingerprints or PIN code, so it is easier to log in the future, and you will be able to use the entirety of its features. The updated home screen provides a quick overview of your key portfolio metrics. You can see real-time updates on your open positions and track your active orders. You can create custom watch lists to monitor the instruments that you are interested in, and the mobile app provides interactive charts optimized for, of course, smartphones. You can access historical price charts with various resolutions, and the app supports a full list of order types, including market, limit, stop, and various protection orders like stop loss and take profit. I hope I was able to help you on how to use DXtrade on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.